We were recently on a shoot in the Maldives, and on this particular day we were heading out to a secluded island to get some pickup shots. Anyway, we got the drone up and I'd have to say it was a pretty specky island. Anyway, packed up, jumped back on the boat, and as we were heading back, it happened. The crew had spotted a big pod of dolphins heading straight towards us. Didn't have a lot of time, grabbed the camera, set it up, got it in the water, and here's how the day played out for us anyway. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm still buzzing from it. It was such a magic moment, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to be able to get up close to those dolphins and capture that. And most of all, get to share it with you guys. Guys, if you love the ocean and you're looking for places or ideas of things to do in and around it, then stick around. We've got a lot more stories and experiences to share with you. Anyway, follow our adventures on all our social channels, and here's some more dolphins for you. And we'll see you in our next video from somewhere in the Big Blue Paddock.